This section of the tutorial is for the D to I part of the setup. Let us begin with disciplinary actions. This feature of the application allows you to record the various disciplinary actions the school adopts. To add a new disciplinary action, locate disciplinary action under D to I of the Setup tab. Click on it. A page opens. As you can see, I have already recorded some disciplinary actions. To add a new record, click on the Add New button. A pop-up window automatically appears. Type in the disciplinary action and then click on Save Changes. The newly added record should be displayed in the table. To delete a record, click on the record to make sure it is highlighted. And then, click on the delete icon in the form of a trash can on the top left corner of the table. Click OK if you are certain on deleting. You can also edit wrong entries made by clicking on the pencil icon in the top left corner of the table. Click on the update icon after editing to save any changes made. Thank you for your attention. Next is the district setup. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to set up districts. This will be necessary information for setting up locations subsequently. To set up districts, move your mouse pointer to the Setup tab, locate D to I and click on Districts. A page loads. Select a country from the drop-down menu. Select a region. Data for the region is a setup that will be discussed in the P2R tutorial. You can also add a region by clicking on Create New button. Type in the district you would like to add. Click on Save to save your entries. The newly added district will be displayed in the table. Click on the Delete button to delete saved entries. Click on OK if you are certain on deleting. You can also edit a record by clicking on the Edit button. Click on Save to update the changes made. Thank you. Let us go on to the next setup called Fees Description. This setup allows you to categorize the various fees that will be paid by students. To set up a fee description, locate D to I under the Setup tab. And then, click on Fees Description. A page opens. For a first-time user, this table will be empty. To add a new record, click on the Add New button. Type in the fee description in the pop-up window and click on Save Changes. The newly added record will be displayed in the table. Delete a record by clicking on the record to highlight it and then clicking on the Delete icon. Click OK if you are certain on deleting. You can also edit a record by clicking on it to highlight and then click on the Edit icon. After editing, click the icon in the form of a floppy disk to save the changes made. Thanks for your attention. Next is the homework setup. This setup will enable you record and keep track of homework given to a particular class. To add a homework, move your mouse pointer to D to I under the Setup tab. Locate Homeworks. Click on it and a page opens. Select the academic year. Select the class to which the homework is being given. Select the subject. Select the term. Indicate if the homework is being recorded in raw marks or in percentage. This example is in raw marks, so I click on the circle by raw marks. Then, type in the name of the homework. Type in the total marks. You can either type in the value or use the scroll button on your right. Click on Save.
You can either edit or delete entries whenever necessary. Thank you for your attention.